Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Fasting is a secret between Allah the Almighty and the servant that observes it. Because when you are doing the fasting, you do it secretly. Because you can easily go and hide, eat, drink, or do anything that violates or invalidates your fasting. But you are not going to do that because you know it's a secret between you and your Lord. The idolaters who were there before, who worshipped idols, it was reported that they had worshipped their idols in so many forms, except fasting. We have not heard in history before that an idol or somebody who is worshipping idols has fasted for the what? For the idols. They may bow down for the idols. They may slaughter for the idols. They may do so many kinds of worships for the idols, with the exception of fasting for the idols. Fasting is done only for Allah the Almighty. That is why Allah the Almighty said in Hadith al-Qudusi, "As-sawmu li wa ana ajzi bih." The fasting is for me. It is done solely for me. That is what God says. And I only know the reward that I give to, the person. All other things you do, al-hasanatu bi'ashri amthaliha. You do a good deed, it's been multiplied for you 10 times to 700 times, going. But for the fasting, only Allah the Almighty knows the reward that you are going to be given. Nobody knows about it, because it is between you and your Lord. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.